Okay, this is a complex number exercise. It's straightforward enough, and it's just really to serve as a warm-up for a couple of subsequent presentations I have to do with working with complex numbers and complex calculus and so on. So what we have here is we have an equation here, and what we're asked to do is determine the real numbers x and y that satisfy the following equation. So we have 2 plus x minus iy over 3 plus iy. That is equal to 1 plus I2. So what we're going to do actually is we are going to sort of cross multiply uh, both sides by, let's just write that here again, 2 plus x minus iy over 3x plus iy equals 1 plus I2. Okay, so what we're going to do is actually just simply cross multiply, or multiply both sides by 3x plus iy. So we would get 2 plus x minus iy. I'm just sort of signifying that x plus 2 equals the real part of that side. So we have we have 1 plus I2 times 3x plus iy. So let's just multiply that out. We would get 3x plus iy. So that's just multiplying it by 1. Then we have plus 6x times I. So just put the I in front there. And finally we have plus I squared 2y. Now, as we all know, I squared is equal to minus 1. So what I'm going to do there immediately is just replace that with minus 1, or in fact just a minus. So what we have here now is, let's just get all the reals together, 3x minus 2y and plus I times y plus 6x. Brilliant. And recall that is equal to 2 plus x minus iy. Well, okay, so what we have here is, what we're going to do is match the reals. This is a strange line there. So the reals are here. We have x plus 2 plus x, and that is equal to 3x minus 2y. And we have the imaginary parts here, minus iy and y plus 6x. So reals, let's look at them. 2 plus x equal to 3x minus 2y. Imaginary. So that is minus 1 because we have minus iy. So minus y even. Is equal to y plus 6x. So if we just working out the this side here, subtract y from both sides, we have minus 2y plus 6x. Necessarily, we can say that y, sorry, that's an equals there. Y is equal to minus 3x. Divide both sides by minus 2. Let's go back to the real part again. Let's just write it out here again. 2 plus x is equal to 3x minus 2y. Okay. Now, recall that we said that y was equal to minus 2x. Just see that I get that right actually. 3x. So we can say 2 plus x is equal to 3x plus 6x. Okay. So minus 2y times minus 2 times minus 3x will give you plus 6x. So what we have here is 2 plus x is equal to 9x. 2 is equal to 8x. X necessarily is equal to 1/4. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3x, and therefore that is equal to minus 3/4. So that's the answer there. X is equal to 1/4, y is equal to minus 3/4. And that ends this exercise.